Dito po kami nakatira noon. Nandito tayo ngayon. Bumisita tayo kasi may binigay tayo doon sa kaibigan ko na nag-fix ng ating bike. At itong puno na to, maliit pa yan noon. At ngayon is malaki na. Si Priscilla ba yan? Hello, Priscilla, is that you? I didn't recognize. I thought that is not you. You moved there. You moved there. You stay here before, isn't it? No, you stay there. It's still there. Okay. I think I remember the other one is living here. He's still here. What is the name? Yeah, yeah, I remember. Yeah, the other one I think I mix up the one that live here. By the way, how's your friend? You know the White is George White? Yeah, is still in Newark. Yeah, because my Alan's friend that one, and him sometimes he mention about you know George White. Oh, how's his wife? They live together. Oh, that's good. Yeah, I just want to take a video this trees because it look big now. For this one, when we live here, it was just a bit little, and as after 8 years, it's massive now. Yeah, this is the tree that kinakausap ko yan noon, yung kahoy na yan. Mahingi ako sa kanya ng panalangin na mabigyan kami ng bungalow at totoo nga, salamat kay Lord, buhay itong mga kahoy. Biyaya ni Lord, salamat po, may kaibigang tree. Oo, maliit pa yan noon eh. Ngayon, malaki na niya. Ayan. Nandito tayo ngayon sa dati nating tinitirahan. Ayan. Thank you, Lord. Hanggang dito na lang kasi ihatid muna natin itong picture sa pamangkin ng asawa ko. Nag-drop by lang tayo dito kasi nagbigay tayo ng banana kay Ryan na siya nag-fix ng ating bike. Thank you, Lord. Salamat po.